Welcome back, y'all. SalonDivaV in the place to be. Today we're going to be fertilizing the garden. So today I have some of this fertilizer right here, organically made. I just took my old collard green leaves and soaked them in this bucket right here. It's been sitting for months now, and it was thinking to high heaven. I'm pretty sure once I stir it up, it will start smelling again. So I'm just going to stir it up. Hopefully you guys can see all of the leaves in there. Oh, you can't see. So that's the leaves. Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure this milkshake gonna draw all the boys to the yard. And I'm gonna dilute that, of course. Stir this up. The purpose is for you to get it in the container. Is stuck. And it is. So it's filled with leaves. Okay, got all the leaves out. Try this again. Fertilizing. All right, y'all, that's everything for this video. I'm gonna go in and finish fertilizing this entire garden. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment below, share me with your family and friends. Check out my social media profiles below, and until I see you guys in the next video, I'm SalonDivaV, in the place to be, y'all. My garden, you know what it is. Peace. So while I was over here, I decided to harvest my potatoes. That I have in the ground. Well, in this bed, I should say. So I pretty much got them all. This is like really my first real successful potato harvest. And I know y'all saying, that's successful? No, hold on. Come on, walk with me. I decided to turn the camera on at the last minute, but check this out. Bam. What? What? Yes, the girl is doing it. Growing big and growing more in 2024. What? Yes. And guess what? While I'm out here, I'm about to put some other potatoes in the ground. These right here. All 5 of them. Well, all 6 of them. Let's get it. If they come up, great. If they don't, we try it. Right here, where the other ones was. Did y'all see that, or did y'all see my butt? So 1, 2, ground.